the 2010 Lexus RX 350. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Lexus prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.